Why do your knuckles crack? It's not because your bones are rubbing together. The sound is linked to changes in the fluid and gas bubbles inside your joints. And here's another weird fact: how does food eventually become poop? Your teeth break food down, your stomach digests it, and your small intestine absorbs most of the nutrients. The leftovers move into your large intestine, where water is absorbed. What remains is turned into stool and stored in the rectum until it's ready to leave. Your body is basically a non-stop recycling system.